Hello everybody and welcome back to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video we're working on this little old Chevy truck and we're going to be performing a full interior detail. So we're going to clean up the interior carpets, upholstery, and these plastic mats. Guys, if you're interested in content like this and you want to see more, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Now, I love the cloth seats in this truck. They're going to be very easy to clean up, and really they're not too bad anyway. The carpets are definitely going to need some heavy-duty cleaning, steaming, and extracting to get these stains out. There are some damaged parts and pieces in here, so we're going to have to be very careful cleaning around these sensitive areas. So let's get started cleaning these nasty rubber mats. So we're going to use a citrus degreaser to scrub these mats down. And after they're fully cleaned and rinsed, we hang them up on our trailer door to dry. Now there was a little mark here, it looked like possibly cement that was on the rubber, so couldn't do much about that unfortunately. So let's get started on the interior. We use our dust brushes and our vacuum to get the majority of the loose debris and dust and dirt, and then we're going to use a variety of towels and cleaners to clean up the rest of the grungy areas. Guys, it's so important to have a variety of brushes and towels at your disposal. You never know what you're going to come across when you're detailing a vehicle, and you want to make sure that you have plenty of tools on hand. Now, if you're working on the steering wheel and you see that there are some damaged parts, try not to over clean that area. You may be doing more damage than good. If you're interested in any of the tools or the products that we use, check out the links down below in the description. You can purchase any of those items on Amazon or eBay or carguysupplies.com. If you've ever cleaned any of these little two-door trucks, you know how difficult it is to get into that back seat area. So I had to do a lot of contortionist moves to be able to fit myself back there. But good thing I have long arms and extra tools for my vacuum to be able to reach into all those hard-to-reach areas. I've mentioned this in other videos. I know some guys like to remove seats. In this instance, as a mobile detailer, it's not always advantageous to do so. So I use the tools that I have, using the steamer, the long brushes, and nozzles to get into those areas the best that I can without risking any type of damage to the bolts or to the plastic parts or even to any of the connectors under there. It's too much of a liability for me to have to worry about removing those seats. Plus, as a mobile detailer, you don't always have room to remove those seats and put them in an area where you can clean them. It's best for us to keep them in the vehicle and work around them. So the first initial cleaning of these seats, we use an all-purpose cleaner in the steamer and the towel to get all of the top surface grime and dirt off. So I couldn't really use the drill brush in the back area. It was just too narrow and too difficult for me to be able to maneuver it, so I had to go old school and use the brushes by hand. So now I'm pulling out my extractor and making sure to hit these stains and extract all of the grime and dirt out of these carpets. But some of these stains are not budging, no matter what products we use on them. So guys, know when to call it quits. Know when you can't remove a stain because you'll just be wasting time and product. You'll be there all day and it will not look any better. Over time, you'll know what stains will come out and what won't. And sometimes it's just a gamble. Some stains you think that won't come out will come right out with the first pass. Others won't budge. So don't feel that you're defeated. That's just the name of the game when it comes to detailing. Some things clean up great, others simply don't. Extracting these seats though was a pleasure. You can see how well they really cleaned up. Now it's something about this fabric. It is a velour type of fabric and it cleans up very well with absolutely no wicking. This is the type of fabric that I love. It's a shame that they don't put this in newer vehicles. Now we're going to extract the rest of the carpets. So here's the finished product, looking nice and clean and as best as it can be. The carpet's cleaned up beautifully. The plastics look really good despite some damage and some staining that simply won't come out. And the upholstery looks beautiful. Needless to say, the customer was super happy about his little old Chevy truck. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a safe week. We'll see you next time. Take care.